Alright folks, this video is to show you how to use the Basaglar KwikPen with these Novofine Autocover injectors for injecting insulin. So I consider myself to kind of be a smart person, but the first time I went to use one of these things, I failed miserably. And the reason is I took the cover off, I put this on here, I screwed it on, and then I took the cover off and I said, okay, well, let me look to see what this needle looks like. And I went like that and I looked at the needle, and then if you'll notice, this is going to turn red right here. When I let it out, and I went to give the shot to Grandma, I couldn't push this down anymore. And it's designed like that so that you push it down and then it locks and it covers up the sharp end of the needle so you can throw it in the trash and it doesn't puncture anybody. But I didn't know that the first time, and so then I tried to give the shot to Grandma, and it just didn't work. Of course, you dial in how much you want to give over here, and then you just inject this or put this on the skin, put the needle in, and push this down, and it injects the medicine. So, but again, the trick is, don't look at that, don't push that down, because once you do, that turns red, and you can't inject anymore. So hopefully that helps you figure this out in case you've done the same thing I did, and then you can't figure out why it's not working. Just get you a new one of these, and you'll be fine. All right, so I also have a couple of these needle tips here. Now these do not have the auto cover, so for these you just screw them on, and then pull this protective cap off, and then there's a second protective cap here. This doesn't push down or anything like the auto covers do. You just have to pull this off, and it exposes the needle. And then hopefully you can see that needle there. Exposes the needle. You give the injection again. Dial up however much you're giving. Give the injection, and then you would want to carefully cover that needle again, and then take this off and throw it away. So hopefully that helps you out.